President Aquino is considering Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma for the position of Chairman of the Civil Service Commission. In an interview with newsmen, the President confirmed that Secretary Coloma is a candidate for the position vacated by Francisco Duque. The President, however, would not confirm if TESDA Chief Joel Villanueva will replace Coloma at the helm of the Presidential Communications Operations Office. The President also said that appointment of PNP Chief is still being studied since the law states that there is only one Director General in the National Police.
Hindi pa kompleto yung process, no? May kukunin, may mapapakating pwesto, yung paglagay ng tao doon sa... Parang yung paggagan, yung gano'n eh. Gusto ko natin kompleto lahat. Kung kaya alis sa isang pwesto, kailangan yung papalit sa pwesto niya, may turnover na para minsanan yung paglipat.
Sir, kasama ba si Secretary Coloma sa mga pinipilian yung ilalagay sa CCO?
That's correct.
How about his replacement naman sa PCO? Si Secretary Villanueva po ba ay...
Hintayin na natin makompleto yung buong proseso.
Sir, sa PNP Chief, sir, will you have to ask General Purisima to have an early retirement para to give you free reign na makapagpaglagay na
Hindi
tao?
yata yung sulat niya sa akin, kung tatanong, di ba? Na that portion of the free reign actually was it part of, was the gist of the letter. He was resigning the position.